In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project the right way. Duplicating an existing project is a fast way to reuse a proven setup without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's perfect for recurring campaigns, checklists, or any process you run more than once. I'll walk you through the exact flow, along with tips to help you avoid accidental carryovers that can create confusion later. Start by opening the project you want to duplicate. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or team area and skim the project sections and tasks so you know what you're about to copy. If the original project includes sensitive tasks or outdated deadlines, keep that in mind. You'll get a chance to choose what comes over in the copy. Next, open the project menu, often found as a three-dot icon near the project title. This menu contains actions that affect the entire project. If you don't see it right away, hover near the title or check the top right corner. On mobile, it may be under an ellipsis or more option. From that menu, choose Duplicate Project. Some tools may label this as Make a Copy or Clone. Selecting it will open a set of options that let you control exactly what gets duplicated. Now decide which details you want to copy. You'll typically see options for tasks, sections, assignees, and due dates. Copying tasks and sections preserves the project's structure, which is often the main reason to duplicate. Be more selective with assignees and due dates. If this is a fresh run, leaving assignees unchecked prevents people from getting unexpected notifications. Similarly, skipping due dates avoids inheriting old timelines. If you do choose to copy due dates, plan to adjust them right after the duplication so they align with your new schedule. Give the new project a clear, descriptive name. A consistent naming convention, like including the client, the purpose, and the month or quarter, makes it easier for your team to find and recognize the right project at a glance. Create the copy, then review it before you start using it. Open the duplicated project and scan each section to ensure only the intended details came over. Check for leftover assignees, verify or update due dates, and remove any one-off tasks that aren't relevant this time around. This quick pass prevents confusion and keeps your workflow clean. That's it. By opening the original project, using the three-dot menu to duplicate it, choosing precisely what to copy, renaming it clearly, and reviewing the result, you'll spin up a ready-to-use project in minutes while keeping your team aligned